Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today I'm going to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price. And guys, you can clearly see that the volatility that we have for the Bitcoin price is insane. Yesterday we saw massive pump up to $30,000 and we got rejected for the third time because previously, if you remember, before a couple of days we have tried to retest this $30,000 area and we got rejected 2 times, and yesterday it was the third time that we got rejected up to that high area and we moved straight into a lower price, which right now we are fighting with the most crucial daily resistance, which is the $28,000, and the good part of that is to close above this blue line. And on this video guys, I'm gonna tell you what's going on, what I'm expecting to see, and what actually direction I have currently after all this kind of massive pullback that happened. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of investment or any kind of trade. And also guys, I would like to show you my Patreon group, because here, if you are searching for the next 100x, 200x, 500x, even 1000x crypto altcoin gem, here is the group for you. You're gonna have my buy signals, sell signals, take signals. I spend hours every day to find the next 100x gem. I have found many in the previous bull run, and with that way I made crazy wealth guys, because also deploy a very smart strategy how you can actually multiply all your bitcoins, or how to multiply your bitcoins through this kind of low cap investments. And obviously I don't have only low caps, but I have mid caps and high caps too, because there are some mid caps and high caps with massive potential. But the most important part guys of all of this Patreon group is not the buy, sell, stake signals, it's not the access to my portfolio, it's not access to my strategies, but is the Telegram VIP community, where here guys, multimillionaires included. I'm not gonna say obviously who is who, but here guys, if you're gonna have any question, concern, or whatsoever, it's gonna be answered by the people of the community. And there guys, we're gonna be a community with the same purpose, with the same goals, which we're gonna help each other. And my main purpose is every single person that's gonna join on this VIP Soldier Patreon group to make him wealthy. Okay, this is my main purpose of this VIP Soldier community. And guys, you're gonna have access to through this Telegram VIP community, which personally I'm really active, and you're gonna get answered in whatever question you're gonna have. Okay, it's highly recommended. And let's get back to our analysis, because here we have massive and very important things to cover out. And guys, initially I would like to begin with the most crucial support and resistance that right now we have for many days. You remember, and also to remind you, I would like to tell you that right now the most crucial resistance is the $30,500, which is the previous support of the previous bull run of 2021, and the most crucial support is the $25,200, that if we're gonna break guys this massive support, we're gonna get into very low price again, probably close to $20,000. So that's why as I had told you many times in the past, that as we are below this yellow line and over this $25,200 red line, I personally remain neutral. Okay, and right now the Bitcoin is standing at $27,960, and from the technical side, the most important thing is to close above the 28,000 daily resistance. This is very crucial guys, to close the daily candle above this blue line, because if this is gonna happen, we're gonna still be on the bullish direction to get back to this green line, which is the $29,350. But if we unfortunately won't keep this daily candle above this blue line, then we probably gonna get even lower at $27,200, which is the next very strong support for the Bitcoin price. Okay, and we're gonna have a retest here for one more time, and obviously we're gonna see with the new documents, with the new data, that if we're gonna bounce from that point or we're gonna see massive reversal. And do not forget the FOMC meeting that's coming, and that's obviously gonna play big role for the next move of the Bitcoin, because we're gonna have crazy volatility, and according to what's gonna be the outcome of the meeting, we're gonna have probably a good direction or a bad direction after the massive volatility. Okay, and also here you're gonna clearly see that the monthly MACD on the Bitcoin price, guys, didn't close with a golden cross, and the reason of that because is that we closed under $30,000. I told you to see golden cross here, we would need to see Bitcoin at $33,000, 34 prices like that, but unfortunately didn't happen either for the month of April. And here you can see that on this exponential moving average 50 and 200 on the weekly time frame, we are still on bullish territory with this golden cross that happened here. Also, guys, today we saw massive pump on the Dixie. That's why obviously we saw massive dump for the Bitcoin price. As we know, this is going exactly the opposite direction. And also, guys, today we saw the First Republic Bank, which seized by regulators and sold to JPMorgan. And this is, guys, good for economy. That's why probably we saw the Dixie pump and the Bitcoin, guys, into a big pullback. But obviously this is very temporary, and this could be changed very easily. I don't believe, guys, that this gonna help the current economic crisis. This is absolutely nothing. We're gonna get into recession probably at the end of 2023, as the rumor says, and I believe the same, that there is a big probability to get even worse than that we are standing right now. But guys, as you know, as more banks going into a collapse, into bankruptcy, Bitcoin will pump, because Bitcoin showed big strength, and actually right now is gaining the trust of the people. So this is very huge, and if we're gonna get, guys, into more bankruptcies, we're gonna see even more pump on the Bitcoin price, while we're gonna stay in some kind of a bear market. Okay, because we could see Bitcoin at $40,000-$50,000, and it could be still a bear market for the Bitcoin price, because when we're gonna have the price of Bitcoin after halving, then the Bitcoin could skyrocket up to 400, 500,000 dollars, which is insane number. Okay, and I highly believe that in the next bull run we can see prices of the Bitcoin like that, because we're gonna have massive adoption until then. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. This is today's video, guys. Very short and very informative about what's going on this current situation. I'm waiting to see how we're gonna close this daily candle. Also, before I close the video, do not forget to check the Patreon, guys. You're gonna miss crazy gains, especially when the altcoin season gonna start. And altcoin season is on the corner, so it's highly recommended. And I will see ya all in my next video, guys. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.